Welcome back to Luxefluent, your ultimate destination for all things luxury. Today, we're embarking on a virtual journey through the lavish halls of Alium Estate. Discover why this iconic mansion commands a market value of $250 million and why it's considered a must-have investment for high net worth individuals. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now and join us on this extraordinary adventure. Location: Alium Estate is located in the prestigious enclave of Bel Air, Los Angeles, an area synonymous with wealth and luxury. Perched in this prime location, the estate offers breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, the sprawling Los Angeles cityscape, and the Santa Monica Mountains. Despite its serene seclusion, the estate is conveniently near major highways, making it both accessible and private. Bel Air is home to celebrities, business magnates, and high-profile individuals, adding to the neighborhood's allure. The estate's proximity to upscale shopping districts like Rodeo Drive, renowned restaurants, and cultural landmarks such as the Getty Center further enhances its appeal. With its stunning surroundings and prime location, Alium Estate truly embodies the essence of luxurious living. Architectural design. Designed by the renowned architect John Doe, Alium Estate is a stunning example of modern architecture, spanning over 30,000 square feet. The mansion seamlessly combines contemporary and classic design elements. The exterior showcases sleek glass panels, natural stone, and warm wood accents, creating a harmonious blend with the lush surroundings. As you approach the estate, you're greeted by a grand gate and a long driveway that leads to a striking porte cochere. The meticulously created landscaping, designed by award-winning landscape architects, features manicured lawns, exotic plants, and tranquil water features, setting a serene tone from the moment you arrive. Inside, the estate boasts expansive living spaces filled with natural light, high ceilings, and elegant finishes. The open floor plan includes multiple living areas, a state-of-the-art kitchen, and luxurious bedrooms, each with its own unique charm. The attention to detail in every aspect of the design ensures that Alium Estate is not just a home, but a masterpiece of modern architecture. Main house. The main house of Alium Estate is a true masterpiece of interior design, offering unparalleled comfort and luxury across its 10 bedrooms and 15 bathrooms. Each space is uniquely crafted to ensure the highest level of elegance and sophistication. Foyer. Stepping into the grand foyer, you're welcomed by a double staircase and a dazzling chandelier that exudes elegance. Marble floors and high ceilings enhance the grandeur of this impressive entrance. Living area. The spacious living areas are perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. Large windows flood the rooms with natural light, offering panoramic views of the beautiful surroundings. Modern fireplaces, custom furniture, and fine art pieces add a touch of sophistication to these inviting spaces. Kitchen. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, custom cabinetry, and an expansive island. For hosting large events, there's also a secondary kitchen dedicated to catering, making it ideal for grand parties. Dining room. The formal dining room comfortably seats up to 20 guests and is adorned with luxurious finishes. It offers a stunning view of the estate's gardens, providing a perfect backdrop for elegant dinners. Master Suite. The Master Suite is a sanctuary of comfort and style. It features a private sitting area, a cozy fireplace, and a balcony with breathtaking views. The ensuite bathroom is a spa-like retreat, complete with a soaking tub, steam shower, and dual vanities. Entertainment areas. Designed for ultimate entertainment, Alium Estate boasts a home theater, a game room, and a wine cellar. The home theater is equipped with the latest technology and plush seating, ensuring a top-notch viewing experience. The game room includes a bar, pool table, and various arcade games, making it a perfect spot for fun and relaxation. Guest houses. Alium Estate includes 2 beautifully appointed guest houses, each designed with the same attention to detail as the main house. These self-contained havens feature their own kitchens, cozy living areas, and comfortable bedrooms, providing guests with privacy and luxury. Located at a considerate distance from the main house, they offer a secluded retreat, ensuring that visitors can enjoy their stay without feeling intrusive. Fully equipped kitchens allow guests to prepare their own meals, while inviting living areas with large windows bring in natural light and offer scenic views of the estate. The plush bedrooms and ensuite bathrooms add to the comfort, making these guest houses perfect for hosting family and friends in a luxurious, private setting. Outdoor amenities. The outdoor areas of Elysium Estate are designed to offer a luxurious lifestyle and a variety of recreational activities, making it a paradise for both relaxation and entertainment. Swimming pool. The estate features a stunning infinity edge pool that appears to blend seamlessly with the horizon. Around the pool, you'll find several lounging areas, a hot tub, and a pool house equipped with a kitchen and bar, creating the perfect setting for relaxation and social gatherings. Tennis court. For sports enthusiasts, there is a professional-grade tennis court. This well-lit court is ideal for nighttime play and includes a comfortable viewing area for guests to watch the matches. Gardens. The meticulously landscaped gardens are a highlight of the estate, showcasing a variety of exotic plants, sculptures, and water features. Multiple walking paths and quiet nooks provide perfect spots for relaxation and contemplation. Outdoor dining. Scattered throughout the estate are multiple outdoor dining areas, ideal for alfresco dining. These spaces are equipped with high-end outdoor kitchens and grills, perfect for hosting outdoor meals and gatherings. Helipad. For those who prefer to travel by air, Elysium Estate includes a private helipad, offering quick and convenient access to and from the property. With these extensive outdoor amenities, Elysium Estate offers an unparalleled blend of luxury and recreational options, ensuring a remarkable living experience for its residents and guests. Technology and security. Elysium Estate embraces cutting-edge technology to provide residents with unparalleled convenience, security, and sustainability. Home automation. With a fully integrated home automation system, residents can effortlessly control lighting, climate, entertainment, and security from a central hub or their mobile devices. This seamless integration enhances the living experience, allowing for personalized comfort and convenience at the touch of a button. Security. Ensuring the safety of its residents is paramount at Elysium Estate. The property boasts state-of-the-art security measures, including surveillance cameras, motion sensors, and a 24/7 monitoring system. For added peace of mind, there's even a secure panic room within the main house, providing a safe haven in case of emergencies. Sustainability. Elysium Estate is committed to environmental responsibility, incorporating various sustainable features into its design. Solar panels harness the power of the sun to reduce energy consumption, while a rainwater harvesting system conserves water resources. Additionally, energy-efficient appliances further contribute to the estate's eco-friendly footprint, demonstrating that luxury living can go hand in hand with environmental stewardship. By leveraging technology and sustainability, Elysium Estate not only enhances the comfort and security of its residents, but also serves as a model for responsible living in the modern world. History and ownership. Elysium Estate boasts a captivating history, originally commissioned by one of the most prominent families in the early 21st century. Since its inception, it has witnessed a series of ownership changes, with each new owner leaving their mark on the property while preserving its timeless grandeur. Over the years, Elysium Estate has served as the backdrop for a multitude of prestigious events, ranging from star-studded charity galas to intimate private gatherings. These gatherings not only reflect the estate's esteemed status, but also contribute to its allure as a beacon of luxury and exclusivity. What do you imagine it would be like to live in a property as prestigious as Elysium Estate? Share your dreams and aspirations in the comments with us. Comparisons. Understanding the splendor of Elysium Estate is best achieved by comparing it with other prestigious mansions worldwide. Versailles Mansion, Florida. With an impressive 85,000 square feet, Versailles Mansion rivals Elysium Estate in luxury features. However, it falls short in terms of location and scenic views, unable to match the prime setting nestled amid California's picturesque landscapes. The One, Los Angeles. Renowned for its vast size and extravagant amenities, The One stands as a formidable counterpart to Elysium Estate. Yet Elysium Estate's unique allure lies in its meticulous design, unmatched privacy, and bespoke features, setting it apart with a distinctive charm. Antilia, Mumbai. Towering in urban splendor, Antilia is famed for its height and cityscape views. In contrast, Elysium Estate offers a different kind of luxury experience, with expansive grounds and a tranquil environment emphasizing serenity and natural beauty over urban grandeur. Market value and investment potential. Elysium Estate's market value mirrors its opulent amenities and coveted location. As of 2024, this prestigious property commands a staggering $250 million, placing it among the top tier of the United States' most costly homes. Its value has steadily increased over time, rendering it an attractive investment opportunity for affluent individuals in pursuit of both luxurious living and a lucrative asset. And that concludes our tour of Alium Estate. If you're hungry for more insider looks into the world of luxury, don't forget to subscribe to Luxefluent. Get fluent, stay fluent, and let's keep uncovering the most luxurious destinations the world has to offer.